Are you having problems that your followers are dropping on your Instagram and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So actually what I did firstly was that I closed my Instagram app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So I went into my settings app, I scrolled down in here, and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, then I scrolled down in here once again and I clicked on storage, as you can see. And then now we're going to wait for this page to completely load in here. And when it's done loading, then we're just going to scroll down and then we're going to find Instagram. And in there, we're going to potentially be able to fix this problem. So basically, we're just going to wait a couple of more seconds in here, as you can see. So let's just wait for it to load. Now we can scroll down and click on Instagram. Click on Upload App and once again click on Upload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds for this page to load in here. Just going to take us a couple of seconds and click on the reinstall app button in here. As you can see, just click there and just wait for your Instagram app to completely update to the latest version. So I did this myself, and when it was done, I just went back into my Instagram app, and actually now my followers were fixed. I wasn't like, my followers weren't like dropping anymore. So I guess that it can be like a bug in the app itself that you can fix by actually automatically updating your app, which you do by following this step-by-step guide. So just wait a couple of seconds or minutes maybe, go back into your app, and hopefully now it's fixed for you as well.